Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert WhatsApp audio messages to text on Android. Alright, let's begin. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once on the home screen, tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Chats. Under Chat Settings, tap on Voice Message Transcripts. When the pop-up appears, tap on Choose Language, then select your preferred transcription language. Once the language is set, wait for the downloading to be completed. Then, go back to your main chat list and open the conversation where the audio message is located. In the chat screen, find the specific voice or audio message you want to transcribe. Press and hold the voice message until it is selected. Then tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the options shown, tap on Transcribe. WhatsApp will now convert the selected voice message into text. The transcription will appear just below the original voice message, allowing you to read the content instantly. This feature works for any voice message, provided transcription is supported for the selected language. It is a great way to quickly access information in noisy environments or when listening is not convenient. So that's basically how you can convert WhatsApp audio messages to text on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.